Hi guys, on this video we are going to be unboxing the Scarlett 2i2 audio interface and the Audio Technica AT2035 Condenser Microphone. We'll take a look at what we get inside the box and a quick audio comparison between the AT2035 and the Samson CO1U Pro USB condenser microphone that I have been using for a couple of years now. My name is Jahni boy, and let's just get right into it and start unboxing. Alright guys, so here we have the two boxes for the Scarlett 2i2 and the Audio Technica AT2035. But before we begin, I'd like to make it clear that this is not a sponsored video. I spent my hard-earned money buying these products, and whatever opinion that I'm about to share with you is based on my own thoughts, some research that I did online, and of course advice from people that I trust. Okay? Also, I already opened up these boxes and actually took a look at what I got inside, so some of the packaging is already kind of messed up. I just tried to put it back in, but yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys what we actually get from inside the box. Alright, so we're just gonna start with the Scarlett 2i2 first, and we're going to set this microphone aside for now. Okay, so as you can see, it's the 3rd gen model, which is the latest one by Focusrite, released just last year. So if you're unfamiliar about it, this is an audio interface, which is basically allows you to create high quality sounds from like a microphone or an instrument input into your DAW, or short for digital audio workstation. Yeah, so we're gonna open it up and see what we get. There's some diagrams here, how to set it up. It's quite easy actually, just plug it in to your computer. So this is the plastic. I try to put it back in. We got the unit itself, and over here it's the wire, the USB-C wire. Let's just take it off, and we have some documentation over here. We don't really need to read that. And silica gel to keep this fresh. Yeah, so this USB-C wire is about 1 meter long. Yeah, I'm trying to stretch it out for you guys. Okay. And this is the 3rd gen 2i2. Yeah, so it's much more compact than the 2nd gen. It's lengthwise about the same, but the depth, there's a big difference. I can't compare it, but online you'll see the comparisons online. So that's it that we get from the box. It's pretty simple. That's all you need. All the other accessories you need to buy separately. Hence why I bought a microphone. But Focusrite does have a studio bundle if you don't want to go and look for the other stuff that you need to start recording. You can get the studio bundle, which is about 20,000 pesos in Juan Gadget store in Lazada. This one I bought for 13,000 as a standalone package. So if you're lazy, or you're not really familiar with the microphones, the headphones, and what's good quality to buy, the studio bundle is a good starting off point for you guys. So you can go ahead. You want to do some mukbangs or covers or ASMRs or unboxings like this, it's a perfect start for you. Alright, so now I also almost forgot, this bundle also comes with some plugins that you need to download on Focusrite's website. To get that, you're gonna basically plug this into your PC, and there's going to be an app there or something that you click, and it will lead you directly to their website, and you're gonna have to register this unit of yours, and it will lead you to your personal page where you can get all of your plugins. A lot of signing up to different websites and downloading a bunch of stuff. I'm still actually trying to get things set up, but yeah, that's basically it. Don't forget to claim those, because that's part of the price that you're paying for this one. Okay, so we're gonna look at the front panel now of the 3rd gen 2i2. We've got 2 XLR TRS combo input jacks, each with their own gain knob. with LED halo peak indicators over here. So basically it lights up to show if you are peaking or not. Green, you can actually, I did some tinkering around and you can actually change the colors, but the default is green is a safe level, orangey is kind of like you're almost peaking, and red is basically you're too loud. Yeah, so what else do we have here? We've got the XLR TRS combo jacks have their separate instrument buttons and the air function button. Now the air function button is a new feature that is part of the Scarlett series for the 3rd generation. Basically it adds a brighter tone or something. That's what they say online. I still have to test that out later, but that's what they say online. It adds a brighter tone to your recordings when it's enabled. Yeah. I don't know what they exactly mean by that, but it's a warm, I don't know exactly what they mean by that, but it's a welcome addition to whatever, to improve your recordings, or to enhance at least. Next we have the 48-volt phantom power button. So you click on that, it activates on both. And we have the direct monitor button, which you click to toggle from mono to stereo or off. Next, we have the gain knob over here. It's the big one. It's for your direct monitoring. The small knob over here is for your headphone out. We have this 1/4-inch headphone jack for obviously your headphone out. There's an indicator here for USB that powers on green when you have this plugged onto your computer. So make sure you check that. Okay, and that's about it for the front panel. There's really not much. It's not too complicated. Okay, now for the back side, we have just these few, like, over here is obviously your USB-C port to connect to your computer, and your line outputs for your right and left studio monitoring speakers. And we've got this lock key over here that the shops use so that you don't steal away their products. So that's it. That's the Scarlett 2i2 for you, the 3rd gen. Really not that much about it. I'm not gonna go in depth because obviously I'm also new to this. So we're just gonna set this aside now, and we're gonna move on to our condenser microphone. There you go. The Audio Technica AT2035. Now you're probably familiar with the AT2020, which is like the older model of this. It is both. There's a XLR version and a USB version of the AT2020, but for this one, it is only the XLR version. And if you guys have been following me around for like the past 2 years with my YouTube journey, especially with these type of videos where I sit in and just talk to you guys, you probably heard me with the Samson C1U Pro. It's the USB condenser microphone that's been with me ever since, and you're listening to it right now. Hello, yeah. But now that I have the audio interface with me, I need an XLR input. Unfortunately, the Samson C1U Pro is only a USB mic, so that won't work for me. I had to buy this, and yeah, there's been a lot of recommendations online, and it's a bit pricey, but I just wanted to go ahead and find a microphone that would just give me quality sounds to make my voice better, because I don't have the best confidence in my voice, so yeah. Alright, so let's go and get this unboxed. We have here this thin foam padding, some documentation, not gonna read that. We get a free pouch to keep the microphone when you are kind of like moving about, and it comes with a shotgun. No, shock mount. This is a shock mount, not a shotgun mount. A shock mount to prevent shock. Actually, this one over here is an adapter. you can remove it, but as I said, I was tinkering with this and using it a bit, and I seem to have a problem removing it again. But yeah, it's an adapter so that you can put it onto your microphone arms or microphone stands. Yeah, and now here the microphone, the Audio Technica AT2035, all metal build. It's fairly heavy, but not too heavy, so it's great to bring it with you everywhere you go. When you need to be like mobile or something. We've got a low cut filter over here and a pad whatever here. I tried this out actually, and yeah, it reduces the input by negative 10 decibels and 0 decibels over here. I don't really understand why we need this. Maybe for like for noisier environments, probably, not sure. And over here we have the, what is this, male XLR, what is this, input. Yeah, can let me try something. You guys don't try this, okay? Yeah. I don't need a mic stand, I don't need an XLR cable. Here we go. Okay, don't do that. I'm just joking around. I'm just joking around, guys. Yeah, so that's it. That's all you get in this box. What else? Nothing, right? Yep. I like the foam here, though. The foam is nice, but you're not gonna use that. I'll try to give you guys a comparison of the Audio Technica AT2035 and my Samsung. Don't confuse it with the phones. The Samsung CO1U Pro, and you guys let me know which one you prefer. The Samsung CO1U Pro I bought at around 5,000 pesos. I ordered it from Manila, but that was before my Lazada days. And this one I bought in I bought this at the official Audio Technica store on Lazada for about 9,000 pesos, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll give you guys some sample audio for both microphones, and you guys will probably see it like right after this. Alright guys, so we have both microphones set. I have the Scarlett 2i2 with the Audio Technica AT2035 plugged in, and the Samsung C1U Pro obviously through the USB interface of my computer. And yeah, this is what they sound like. I have the gains of both microphones set at 50%. This is what they sound like. I will give you guys some audio samples. Are you guys ready? Okay. This is the first thing I've always wanted to do. Hey guys. This is ASMR. ASMR. We are supposed to be experiencing tingling sensations right now with my whispers. I am not the best at this, but you're going to feel relaxed, sleepy. I hope you guys enjoy. Tingling. Okay, that's not the best. Okay, now for some movie quotes and voice lines. You shall not pass! You shall not pass! I did not hit her. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark. I did not hit her. I did not. Oh, hi, Mark. Here's Jahni. Here's Jahni. My precious. My precious. I'm just gonna make up the lyrics. I'm making up a song as we go. I'm making up a song for the video. Ooh, I don't know what else to say. I'm just gonna sing a song anyway. Unfortunately, I don't have my pop filter yet for the AT2035. I'm supposed to have something like clamp onto the microphone at the boom arm and be in front here of the microphone. The Samsung C1U Pro, I have this foam that I can just put on top. But I thought putting this on one microphone and not the other would be an unfair comparison. So you probably heard a lot of pop sounds with a B and the P and the T and the S and some airs or something. Yeah. But I hope this was helpful for you guys, so you have a bit of an idea of what these microphones sound like. I know I'm not the best with the samples. I'm just trying to have fun with my videos. So if you guys enjoyed it so far, please don't forget to put a thumbs up, and I would recommend you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys want more of these type of videos. Yeah, and that will do it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye. 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 Bye bye.